Welcome to ArrayList. Store dynamic collections efficiently. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Using fixed-size arrays means guessing capacity and copying data when full. How do we store lists that can grow? Fixed arrays waste memory. Resizing arrays is manual work. Hard to insert/remove items, ArrayList provides a resizable array that grows automatically as needed. How is ArrayList used in the real world? Shopping cart. Dynamic item list management, task management, flexible to-do list storage, user database, efficient user record handling. ArrayList powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So what happens without ArrayList? Managing dynamic data with fixed-size arrays. Look at how messy the code gets. Fixed size limits flexibility. Manual resizing required. Hard to insert/remove items. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution. ArrayList. Look how clean the code is now. Dynamic size, no fixed limit, easy add/remove elements, built-in methods for sorting, compare the difference. And that is why we use ArrayList. Let's see how to implement ArrayList in code. Here is the implementation. Import package. Include ArrayList class. Create ArrayList. Initialize empty list. Add element. Insert apple at end. Get element. Retrieve first item. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What must you import to use ArrayList? Which one is correct? The correct answer is ArrayList is part of java.util package. How to create an array list of strings. Which one is correct? The correct answer is what does this code output? Which one is correct? The correct answer is add 0, 10, inserts at index 0, moving 5 to index 1. What's the result of this code? Which one is correct? The correct answer is, after operations, list is CB. Here is a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.